Hi guys, welcome to our channel paintandhardware.com. I am Namit. I want to demo for you the Black & Decker Rotary tool RT18KA for a buffing application. If you have seen our previous video, we had a few sanding applications for woodworking. This time we will be using the tool for buffing. So we would like to buff this brass bell which has lost its luster, and let's hope that we can make it shiny. So to start off, we have to use the buffing tool from the toolkit accessories what is provided over here. So we have taken the buffing tool over here, and it has a holder which screws onto the buffing tool, and as usual we just clamp the buffing tool onto the rotary tool. So to buff this bell, we will also need a rubbing compound, which is a 3M one-step rubbing compound. It comes like a white paste. What we do is we take a little bit of the paste and apply it on our bell. This buffing paste has a lot of fine abrasive grit in it, and it also has an effect of polishing. So now that we have this buffing paste applied on the bell, we will clamp it on our vise and we'll go for the buffing. I would recommend that we start off on a slow RPM. As you can see, we brought back much of the luster. We'll go for one more time with the buffing paste. Little bit more just for the finishing touches.
First one is white color, RT18KA. Second one 720A. Third one.
You can see all the lost luster of the brass bell we are able to restore using this 3M one-step rubbing compound and our buffing tool, which has a cotton buffing pad.
720 second one. Third one.
Hope you like this video, and for more such videos, please subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, and please do like our videos. Until next time, thanks for watching.